Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all will be fine. Today we shall discuss about the organic chemistry, the introduction of organic chemistry. That what is organic chemistry? Organic chemistry, when we talk about the modern definition of organic chemistry, modern definition of organic chemistry. The modern definition says that organic chemistry is a branch of chemistry which deals with the carbon compounds, mainly with the carbon compounds, as the carbon atom forms a lot of long chain structures and ringed structures. So it forms the organic compounds complex compounds which called organic compounds. Now this was the modern point of view about the organic chemistry. Now let's see what was the old view about the organic. The literal meaning of organic chemistry, literal meaning of organic. The literal meaning of organic is derived from living organisms. In the early history, it was believed that organic compounds were those compounds which are produced naturally in the nature, inside the plants, animals. They can't synthesize outside the living organisms. Even they can't synthesize in the laboratory artificially. In the early history, there was a theory about the organic compounds, which was theory of vitalism. When we talk about theory of vitalism, it states there is a vital force theory. There is a vital force which synthesize organic compounds This theory states that organic compounds can be synthesized from the inorganic compounds. They are synthesized naturally, so they can't synthesize inside the laboratory. But this theory of vitalism, you can say the vital force theory, it was denied in 1828. In 1828, theory of vital force was denied. Vital force theory. When the Wheeler synthesized urea from the ammonium cyanide in the absence of oxygen is heated, then urea is formed. Urea is organic compound and ammonium cyanide is inorganic. Organic. So this is the history of, you can say, a brief introduction of organic chemistry. That what was its early point of view about the organic chemistry. That organic chemistry is the chemistry of organic compounds, which are composed of carbon atoms mainly, and the theory of vitalism. It was early believed, but it was rejected in 1828 when Muller synthesized the urea from the inorganic reactants ammonium cyanide in the absence of oxygen. When heated, it formed urea, that is organic compound. So many other organic compounds like plant oils, waxes, urea, nicotine, morphine, vitamin C, codeine, etc. They are also synthesized in the laboratory, as well as they are naturally found inside the plants, or you can say in other living organisms. So this was about today's lecture. So I hope you will learn something from this and will like it. So if you also stay with us for more updates. Thank you.